Let me be brutally honest with you. Most people watching this video right now are going to stay exactly where they are. Same job, same income, and same frustrations if we see 1 year from today. Here's the truth no one is telling you. 2026 is not rewarding effort, it is rewarding the right skills. And the skill number 5 that I want to talk about is business analysis. And this one is wildly underrated. Business analysis is simply the ability to look at a business or a part of a business and understand what's working, what's broken, what the data is saying, and what should be done about it. McKinsey, BCG, Bain, Deloitte, Accenture, and many more. The world's top consulting firms charges hundreds of thousands of dollars for this skill. But here is what changed. You don't need to be at McKinsey to need this skill anymore. Every startup founder, product manager, marketing lead, operation person, team leader needs to be able to look at numbers and translate them into decisions. Peter Drucker, the father of modern management, famously said, "What gets measured gets managed." And today with AI, the data is more available than ever. The gap is in the interpretation. So, what business analysis actually covers? First one, reading financial statements like profit and loss statements, balance sheet, cash flow. Second one is KPI identification, means knowing which numbers actually matter for a given goal. Third one is data visualization, means presenting insight in a way that derives action. Fourth one, process mapping. It means identifying inefficiency in how works get done. Fifth one is stakeholder communication, means turning analysis into clear recommendations. And last one is SWOT analysis, Porter 5 forces, and other business frameworks that you have to know. So, how will you learn about business analysis? For this, I want to recommend you the book The Lean Startup by Ries. It beautifully teaches data-driven decision making for any project, not just startups. You can also do some courses like Google Data Analytics Certificate on Coursera, Business Analysis Fundamentals on Udemy. For this, you have to also learn tools like Excel, Google Sheets at an intermediate level. Then move to Tableau and Power BI for better visualization. SQL basics are a huge bonus. Now, the most companies are drowning in data and starving for insight. If you can walk into a room, look at what's happening, and clearly explain why it's happening, what to do about it, you will never struggle to find work or client ever. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe because I make content exactly like this every week. Thank you.